There are more details this evening on the fatal shooting of a young Jamaican mother in the Bahamas on Friday. The family believes a gang feud led to the shooting. The mother of the now deceased 22-year-old spoke to our news center, recounting her daughter's final moments after she was shot.
On her veranda, using her tablet, the moment 22-year-old Tadasha Morgan Sears was shot Friday night.
She died in my living room. I clean up my daughter's blood. Her last word was, "Mommy, I get shot." I say, "Baby, you're going to be okay. The ambulance is on its way."
But that wasn't to be. Tadasha, who works as a caterer, leaves behind a 4-year-old baby girl. She was gearing up for work on Saturday.
On Friday that she got killed, she was supposed to go to another island to do catering. Her suitcase was packed. When I to work Friday, she said, "Mommy, the ride late to take me to the airport, so I'm going to ask you to take me to the airport 5 o'clock Saturday morning." So she could go for work for Saturday, 4 o'clock in the evening.
Mother Natanya Green insists her daughter was killed because of an ongoing gang feud between neighboring communities.
What happened is someone from down the bottom road from where we live, they got shot on Wednesday. A guy gets shot there Wednesday. So it's like a reprisal. They just come up and see people sitting, and it could be me on the porch. It could be anybody.
Miss Green argues her daughter was not a part of any gang or connected to any criminal. She says the shooting could have been worse, as the entire family would normally be out on the veranda.
Only because I wasn't feeling good, because where I sell snack and juice from home, we'll be outside playing Ludo, playing dominoes till all 2, 3 o'clock again. We'll be out here late. Only because I wasn't feeling well. I do my jerk chicken and jerk pork on weekend. Only because I wasn't feeling well. Else maybe it would have been worse.
Tadasha would have turned 23 on October 26. Police are still probing the killing. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.